The police can search a person if they have a warrant issued by a court to search that particular person. But they can also search if they don't have a warrant, and that is in the instance where the person consents to being searched, or if the person is under arrest, they can be searched. Then if the police reasonably suspects that the person is in possession of an item which was used to commit a crime, or will be used to commit a crime, or can be used as evidence of a crime that had been committed, such as a cell phone with footage of a crime that happened. If the police wants to search a person without a warrant, they also have to have the reasonable belief that if they were to apply for a search warrant, the courts would grant that search warrant. But the reason why they would not apply for the warrant is the delay in making that application would give the suspects a chance to get rid of the item that the police is searching for. A search is unlawful, firstly, if there is no search warrant. Secondly, if no consent was given by the person who is being searched, or if the police does not have reasonable grounds or any good reasons for searching the person or the premises. The police can seize a person's property if that property was identified in a search warrant, or if it is the item which they suspect was used in the commission of a crime, or if it would give evidence about a crime that had been committed. The police can arrest someone if they have a warrant of arrest, but they can also arrest without a warrant, and the law gives a host of instances where they can arrest without a warrant. And that would be, for example, where a person tries to commit an offense in the presence of the police. In other words, they are caught red-handed in the process of committing a crime. They can also be arrested if they are found with stolen goods, for example, or where the police is conducting their lawful work, in other words, the work that they are supposed to do, and someone interferes or tries to obstruct them from doing what they are supposed to do. So if someone was unlawfully arrested, they can institute criminal proceedings against the police, in fact the Minister of Police, or they can, and at the same time actually, they can also sue the police civilly. If you are unlawfully arrested, you can approach a lawyer. You can also approach the Independent Police Investigative Directorate. You can also approach the South African Human Rights Commission. And what has also been very helpful in many cases is where people share incidents on social media, for like video clips or just to share a story, because there are many lawyers and many activists who are on social media, and someone might feel that they should pay attention to your case.